BioAcne Purifying Gel. BioAcne Purifying Gel is a mattifying and normalizing organic moisturizer that helps control shine, imperfections, and blemishes of oily and acne-prone skin. This ultralight and non-sticky gel texture penetrates instantly into the skin, leaving a silky and matte finish. It can be applied immediately after BioAcne serum and is the last step before applying a sunscreen. Advantage number 1: oil control. The activity of the sebaceous glands is influenced by many factors, such as lifestyle, hormones, weather, as well as the age of an individual. When the sebaceous glands are overstimulated or hypertrophied, they produce excess sebum or excess oil. Excess sebum on the skin surface contributes to shiny-looking skin and dilated pores. BioAcne Purifying Gel helps normalize oil production. It contains a sebum-regulating synergy of salicylic acid from willow bark and mattifying minerals. With the diadermic method, these ingredients work directly on the sebaceous glands receptors to slow down their activity. The sebum production is normalized, excess oil on the skin surface is absorbed, the skin is left with a matte finish. This synergy also performs a natural smoothing and detoxifying micropeeling of the epidermis. Over time, the appearance of pores improve and the skin is left with a clear and radiant complexion. Advantage number 2: anti-imperfection. The bacteria, Propionibacterium acnes, contributes to hyperkeratosis, which is the excessive production of skin cells that clog the follicle and amplify the formation of acne lesions. BioAcne Purifying Gel helps prevent hyperkeratosis and the formation of comedones, papules, and pustules. With comedolytic willow bark, purifying tea tree oil, and lavender essential oil, this anti-acne moisturizer helps dissolve sebum and dead cells inside the pores while neutralizing the growth of acne-causing bacteria. The skin is purified, the texture is refined, future papules and pustules are prevented. Advantage number 3: anti-inflammatory. BioAcne Purifying Gel is made of anti-inflammatory magnolia bark extract and healing zinc oxide. These powerful ingredients reduce inflammation induced by acne-causing bacteria, facilitate the healing of papules and pustules, and reduce the appearance of redness. In addition, BioAcne Purifying Gel prevents papules, pustules, and acne scars from forming. Results: shiny areas due to oily skin are immediately controlled. The complexion appears brighter, fresher, and clearer. With each application, the amount of comedones, papules, and pustules diminish. Pores minimize. The skin becomes healthier, smoother, and softer. How to use it? Apply to the face and neck morning and evening after cleansing the skin. Massage until the product is completely absorbed.